Stop! Don't ignore these signs symptoms of a bad brake caliper. Ensuring your braking system is in good condition is crucial for safety, so understanding these signs can help you take timely action. Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our Weekly Tools channel. Today we're going to be talking about something crucial to your safety, your brakes. Specifically, we'll be focusing on a key component, the brake caliper. So, let's get started. A brake caliper is like the iron fist of your braking system. When you press the brake pedal, hydraulic pressure forces pistons inside the caliper to squeeze the brake pads against the rotors, slowing down your wheels. But like any part, calipers can wear out or malfunction. A faulty caliper can lead to a number of problems, some more serious than others. So, how do you know if your calipers are on the fritz? Let's dive into the signs of a bad brake caliper. Sign number 1, pulling to one side. Ever feel like your car is playing tug of war while you're braking? This can be a sign that one of your calipers is sticking. When a caliper seizes, it applies more pressure to the brake pad on that side, causing your car to pull in that direction. Sign number 2, spongy brake pedal. A brake pedal that feels soft and mushy when you press on it is a bad sign. This can indicate a leak in the brake system, potentially from a faulty caliper seal. Leaking fluid means less pressure to squeeze the pads, reducing braking effectiveness. Sign number 3, burning odor or excessive heat. If you smell something burning after braking, or if a wheel feels significantly hotter than the others, it could be due to a stuck caliper. A seized caliper can continuously apply pressure to the pads, causing them to overheat and emit a burning smell. Sign number 4, grinding or squealing noises. Loud grinding or squealing noises when braking can point to several issues, including worn brake pads, but it can also signal a problem with the caliper. A worn caliper slide pin or a damaged dust boot around the piston can cause the caliper to bind, leading to these unpleasant noises. Sign number 5, uneven brake pad wear. During a routine brake pad inspection, take a close look at the wear pattern. If one pad is significantly more worn than its counterpart on the same rotor, it could be a sign of a caliper issue. A sticking caliper piston might not be applying even pressure, causing one pad to wear out faster. Don't delay. Get your brakes checked. If you're experiencing any of these signs, don't ignore them. A failing brake caliper can significantly reduce your stopping power, putting you and others at risk. It's crucial to get your brakes checked by a qualified mechanic as soon as possible. Here are some quick tips to help maintain healthy brakes and calipers. Regularly inspect your brake pads for wear and tear. Consider replacing your brake fluid according to your manufacturer's recommendations. Avoid riding the brakes, especially when coming down long hills. Listen to your car. Unusual noises or changes in braking performance can indicate trouble. Remember, your brakes are one of the most important safety features on your car. By being aware of the signs of a bad brake caliper and taking proper care of your brakes, you can ensure safe and smooth stops for miles to come. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more car care tips. And if you have any questions about brake calipers or brakes in general, leave a comment below.